everyone, welcome to GITEX 2024. We're so thrilled to have you all here at our booth H2D70. And I'm so excited to showcase our latest innovations. Let's have a look at our printers. Here, what you can see is our 58mm receipt printers. It is ideal for the compact spaces. And here you can see our home use label maker series. It's perfect for organizing your life. And here is our A4 mobile printers. It's designed for high quality and reliable performance. We also present our mobile printers for receipt and label printers. And now, don't miss our 80mm receipt printers. They feature in different designs, tailored for different applications like kitchen, supermarket, restaurants, and so on. So these wonderful printers will definitely meet your needs. Finally, our barcode printers. Our barcode printers are available in desktop and industrial models. Let's see the dynamic demonstration. I'm sure it will be perfect for enhancing your business operations. So just come and visit us at GITEX 2024. We look forward to helping you find the best solutions to meet your needs. Thank you.